Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And overall, the chart looks perfectly fine. I do realize there's some perspective that comes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 2 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of shaky. But from the big picture of things, if you care about the grand scheme of it all, then yeah, totally, today was a great day. For those of you that did watch yesterday's video, that should definitely make sense because I talked about from, again, the big picture perspective, that key level of support being down here at 75 cents being represented by that green line right there. And today, the price didn't even come close to testing that area at 75 cents. So from that perspective in and of itself, that's great. Again, I fully realize if you bought up there, then you probably don't like seeing the price down here if you were a day trader. But taking a step back, and if you just look at where the lows have been, and heck, even today, it's trying to build a much higher low. But if that holds up there and you look at these as stair steps very clearly in the upwards direction. So as far as supports are concerned, nothing new there other than the fact that, yeah, the bulls did a great job. And, still building a new high is still completely, in play. On the flip side of things, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, updating's not the right word, but more so confirmation would definitely be an accurate term. For those of you that did watch yesterday's video, I talked about 82 cents as resistance, and temporarily the price did get up above it. But by the time the dust had settled, the price has fallen back below it, and you can see after the price fell back below it, try to get above it there, and then even the final 30 minutes tried once again to get back up above it. So 82 cents definitely confirmed as a level of resistance. I would fully agree that it was weakened up today, but because the price did still close below it, you got to consider that an area of resistance still. And now that we have more data, next level of resistance after 82 cents, right up there at the 86 cent mark. So all in all, sure, the price pulled back a little bit, but still bulls have plenty of opportunity to build that higher base, and that's what you want to see. So it'll be interesting to just watch and see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.